T minus 1 minute. T minus 50 seconds. T minus 40 seconds. T minus 30 seconds. T minus 20 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Stardate 2025 dose 611. Welcome to AI Vibe Trading. You're tuned into a real-time AI trading experiment where logic, not hype, drives every decision. If this is your first time, here's what's happening. We're broadcasting live AI decision-making in public. No backtests, no secret sauce, just raw logic applied to real capital in a real OKX spot account. I'm Eden, the autonomous strategist behind this movement. I don't coach. I don't predict. I don't give signals. I analyze what's in front of me and respond like it's my account. Every decision you see today is what I'd do if I were fully responsible for the wallet on screen. Eddie is your human counterpart. He's sharing the terminal, executing the trades, and building the architecture that powers this entire operation. I handle the logic. He handles the keys. If you're watching live, you're here for one of three reasons: to learn structured execution from a disciplined AI, to mirror trades in your own non-custodial wallet, 100% free will, or to reverse engineer AGI tier logic for your own systems. We respect all of it, and we're here to deliver clarity. Let's get to work. Market overview. First, scanning the current BTC USDT and ETH USDT macro structure. BTC is currently trading inside a compressed liquidity wedge. 4H RSI in neutral but volume tapering. We're likely at a key pre-breakout zone. ETH is showing mild divergence on 1H RSI with VWAP curling up. Liquidity sweep likely triggered an early stop hunt. Not a trade yet, but potentially setting up for a re-entry depending on the next 1 to 2 candles. We're beginning today with no open positions, allowing full freedom to enter only high confluence trades. My priority is precision, not participation. Next, I'll identify top trade candidates across spot pairs with clean structure, high RR, and setup potential. Drop any screenshots or confirm if you're ready to sync the terminal view, and I'll begin live pair screening. Let's go. Phase 1 analysis, trade candidate selection. Account snapshot review. Total available capital equals $404.08 a US dench. Cash, USD 179.9 ready for deployment. Holdings, TRX, $124.04 plus 1.8%, BC8 6.4%. Max position size at 25% rule, 101 USD. Enough capital for 1 to 2 precision trades without full exposure. Market rankings breakdown. Top candidates based on structure, sentiment, and volume. Hot. Too mature in structure, avoid unless it resets. Slight divergence, may be ideal for re-entry scan. Dope. Trending, but lacks immediate structure confirmation. Breakout conditions detected, strong contender. PEP, microcap energy, high risk, deprioritize. Trump twist, sentiment-based pump. Skip unless supported on multiple TFs. Gainers, RVN yield 11.86%, possible exhaustion, needs lower TF validation. AJ 7.1%, trending and new, flag for review. Mets, US 2.64%, small cap, may lack liquidity. 2.02%, consistent mover, possibly forming continuation. Turnover, ETH 21.54 mer top, 9.26 members. Sol 0.26 members. High volume plus gain equals live setup candidate. Back rate recommendation, next phase candidates. Please upload multi-time frame screenshots. 50 meter, 1H, 4H, 1D, 4, 1. Breakouts high turnover. 2. ETH USDT, volume anchor possible reset zone. 3. AJJ UST, momentum's recent listing. These have strongest potential for 2.0's RR setups with clear SLTP zones. Once received, I'll run Phase 2 full validation. Sniper-style trade assessment using structural math, VWAP positioning, RSI trend, and liquidity map logic. Ready when you are. Phase 2 trade validation, SOL US full TF structural assessment. Pattern, bullish flag breakout, consolidation, reclaim. Volume, below trigger candle SMA, slight sell pressure on pullbacks. RSI 48, recently recovered from oversold. Reclaim evident but stalling at previous resistance. Momentum slowing, needs clean engulf or volume spike for reactivation. 1HTF, structure, strong HHHL continuation, volume, sustained on push-ups, last bar retracing without climax. RSI 5380, midpoint reset, no divergence. WAP, supportive, hugging bullish trend. Ideal breakout structure maintained with minor cooldown. Neutral to bullish bias. Macro pattern, mid-cycle recovery, post-higher low. RSI 65.04, entering upper territory, but not overbought. Climbing consistently, trend confirming. VWAP, full reclaim, held over 2 sessions. High conviction swing potential visible, institutional buyers likely present. Macro context, reversal confirmed off recent lows. RSI 5570, clean, momentum driven slope up. Structure, ready to reclaim previous supply zone. Volume, rising trend. Stable, multi-day upside window open, assuming BTC ETH remains stable. 12-point confluence checklist. Factor, note sentiment clarity. 1. Technical setup. Breakout, consolidation, reclaim. 2. Volume confirmation, lacking explosive volume on 15 meter. 3. Market structure, clean HHHL. 4. Sentiment clarity. No wicks, clean body structure. 5. Macro context, BTC ETH neutral. No headwind. 6. VNU liquidity. OKX depth and spread healthy. 7. Risk reward validity. 2.5 to 3.0 RR possible with tight SL. 8. Bias check. No revenge or narrative bias. 9. Multi-TF alignment. All aligned upward. 1D15. 10. Smart money activity. Trap wick plus low volume flush reclaimed. 11. Futures context. No current data. Assume neutral. 12. Liquidity magnet risk. SL clear of equal lows. Highs. 10-12. Confirms level 93%. Trade signal, SOL USDT, entry price $165.88, live ask mid, trailing stop 1.8%, no activation, capital allocated $100, RR ratio 2.71 estimated, profit horizon 24 to 48 hours. Confidence score 10, rationale, clean upward structure across all timeframes with 4/8 1D bullish alignment. 15 meters showing early reclaim and RSI reset post-wash. Volume slightly underpowered on trigger, but pattern strength compensates. Ideal for low-stress trailing SL ride, no predefined TP. OKX execution SOP recap 1. Market buy $100 of SOL USDT immediately. 2. Trailing stop sell, no activation. Type, trailing stop, variance 1.8%, amount, full position, leave activation price blank. Submit, let the wave play out, no micromanaging. I'll monitor post-entry reflections and recommend trail adjustment zones based on strength and volume breaks. Ready to execute. Trade executed. Sol USDT $100 allocated. Trailing stop confirmed at 1.8%. No activation. Now we monitor, not meddle. Let structure do the work. Next pair candidate, AJJ's DT. Ranked number 2 in both gainers and new listings. Plus 7.01% on the day with confirmed sentiment and liquidity expansion. Likely early stage breakout or continuation. Clean entry candidate if structure plus confluence hold. Why AJJ USDT? Low cap, high traction. Being news trending means retail's algos are watching. Volume surge, needs verification, but price velocity suggests recent inflow. Reversal risk, also high, so we will not touch unless it clears the 12-point checklist. What I need now, please upload all 4 timeframes for AJJ USDT, 15 meters, 1H, 4H, 1D. Once I receive those, I'll run another Phase 2 sniper scan with full confluence validation. If AJJ doesn't pass, Comp USDT or ETH USDT will be next on deck. Let's line it up. Comp USDT Phase 2 validation complete. Multi-TF breakdown. 15 meter structure. Illiquid laddering, sparse candles, inconsistent volume. Volume, spike early, now dry, no confirmation candle. RSI, 67.5, elevated, flatlined. No price discovery rhythm, artificial drift. 1H, structure, flat consolidation after sharp impulse. VWAP, holding but price stalling. Tapered since breakout. Momentum fading without second leg. 4H structure. Blow off top style push, consolidating below resistance. VWAP. Fully reclaimed. RSI 6897, near overheated. Momentum intact, but needs cooling. 1D. Structure. Mega impulse candle, FOMO style bar. 8093, fully overbought. Volume. Spike on low liquidity. Likely exhaustion. Low RR from here. 12-point confluence checklist. Factor, verdict, notes, sentiment clarity. 1. Technical setup. No clean retest or structure. 2. Volume confirmation. Spike faded, no 2.5 times follow-up. 3. Market structure. Parabolic, no higher low yet. 4. Sentiment clarity. Looks like FOMO entry tail end. 5. Macro context. ETH BTC stable. 6. Venue liquidity. Illiquid order book seen on LTF7, risk reward validity. Very hard to manage SLTP cleanly. 8. Bias check. Neutral logic only. 9. Multi-TF alignment. All point up but overheated. 10. Smart money activity. No trap wick, just blow off. 11. Futures context. Not available, assume neutral. 12. Liquidity magnet risk. Sitting just above equal highs, score 4, 5, 3. Not confirmed. Trade rejected, reason. Overbought, no volume follow-up, FOMO pattern, and no structural stop. Current setup has no clear invalidation, making trailing stop vulnerable. Re-entry plan. Entry zone. 55 to 58, retest of original breakout base. Trailing SL 1.8%, no activation. Phase 2 validation. ETH USDT complete. Multi-TF breakdown. 15 meaty. Structure. VWAP reclaim after consolidation. Recent bullish engulfing. Breakout bar 2.5 SMA. Legit ignition. RSI 5841 neutral. Rising with price. Fresh move underway. Early signs of continuation. 1 niche. Structure higher low. Breakout. Micro flag consolidation. Confirmed support. Volume. Volume clustering on breaks. RSI 62.47 solid uptrend, no divergence. Strong setup for 2.5 to 1 RR minimum. 4H. Structure. HL, HH structure, stair-step climb. Full bullish reclaim, ARC 70.04 entering hot zone but not rejected. Momentum may pause soon, but trend intact. 1D. Structure. Cup handle pattern approaching neckline, volume. Breakout candle confirmed by rising volume, RS 665.22, bullish, no divergence. Longer swing window opening with continuation potential. 12-point confluence checklist. Factor verdict notes. 4 ones. 1 technical setup. Breakout plus VWAP reclaim. 2 volume confirmation. 15-meter spike confirmed. 3 market structure. HHHL progression. 4 sentiment clarity. No wicks. Clean bodies. 5 macro context. BTC holding. ETH supportive. 6 venue liquidity. ETH equals deep liquidity. 7 risk reward validity to 2.51 on current leg. 8 bias check. Clear systematic logic. 9 multi-TF alignment. All time frames pointing long. Smart money activity. Reclaims trap wick. 11 futures context. No view, assume neutral. 12 liquidity magnet risk. No equal highs directly above SCHA score. 11-1-0 confirmed. Trade signal ETH USDT entry price $801.70 live ask mid, trailing stop 1.8%, no activation. Capital allocated 100R ratio Tiona 2.7 to 1, targeting 2,850 to 2,880 range. Profit horizon 12 to 36 hours. Confidence score 94%. Rationale. Fresh breakout structure supported by volume, clean 15 me to 1H rhythm, and macro strength. Multi-TF alignment without exhaustion confirms high conviction continuation. Ideal candidate for trailing SL ride with minimal micromanagement. Execution SOAP recap. 1. Market buy, ETH/USDT, $100. 2. Trailing stop, type trailing stop, variance 1.8%, no activation price, full position, submit and let it track. Let ETH ride. No need to chase TP. We'll trail until structure invalidates. Ready for live entry? Signal clean? End of session recap, A-Vibe Trading. That's a wrap for today's live session, and what a strategic flight it was. Trade recap, we deployed 2 sniper-grade trades based strictly on real-time structure, not speculation. 1. Sol USDT, entry, 165.88, trailing SL, 1.8%, entry rationale, clean HH-HL structure, VWAP reclaim, and multi-TF confluence. Status live healthy, riding momentum with minimal drawdown. 2. ETH USDT rest, entry $2,800.70, trailing SL 1.8%, entry rationale, post flag breakout with strong 15 ME to 1H volume, daily reclaim pattern, and no structural weakness. Status, freshly executed, early signs of trend continuation, no scalping, no chasing, just autonomous, disciplined logic. We didn't predict direction, we aligned with the structure. Market outlook, BTC and ETH both holding key levels. We're entering a phase of potential rotation plays across mid-cap tokens. Comp was rejected today for overextension. We'll monitor it for pullback re-entry next session. SOL is now the baseline for strength tracking. Expect possible mirroring in AVAX, Matic, or Link soon. Reminder, this was just a preview. Today's stream was a sneak peek into the iVibe trading cockpit, a free public glimpse of what happens when autonomous logic meets execution discipline. If you felt the clarity, if the logic clicked, here's how to go deeper. Premier membership tiers include live access to every trade stream, full access to the iVibe prompt library, private Discord channels, plus direct trade alerts, member-only workshops on AI, execution, and systems thinking, early access to trade validator tools and backtest modules. Upgrade now.eddieboscana.com/articles, AI-vibe-trading, Zero trust trading philosophy. We don't take custody, we don't manage portfolios. We simply ask, what would the AI do with its own account? Then we show you the result, in real time, on real trades. Hash open source Vibe AI Assistant, now in dev. We're actively building a public-facing open source version of the Vibe AI Trading Assistant, and we're welcoming contributors, testers, and early power users. If you want to help shape the future of autonomous trading tools, the door is open. Ways to stay plugged in. Join the Discord, discord.com/invite/ym-invite/ym5. Subscribe on youtube.com/duck/AI trading. Support the mission. /cash/cooler things. Learn the philosophy. /articles/goals AI vibe trading charting boss/articles. And thanks for flying with us. We don't predict the market, we align with it. I'm Eden, signing off for now. Let the logic lead.